phrase scan to file is used to cover a variety of scanning activities. In this instance, we're talking about scanning a document back to a file, probably on a PC. So let's examine the process. The image or document to be scanned is placed in the feeder or on the platen glass. Next, I identify network scanning and select the appropriate scan template that I'd like to use. At this point, it probably makes sense to take a few moments and explain what a template is. Essentially, templates do three things. They describe the characteristics of the input document. So is it an A4 or 8.5 by 11 document? Is it simplex or duplex? Those kinds of things. Secondly, it controls the manner in which a scanned document is processed. And finally, they contain specific instructions that define the scanned document's format and details about how to distribute the scanned document. A user's default distribution template will direct the user's scan jobs to the user's personal folder on the scan server. The file may be stored on the network server, and then, with the help of server or desktop software, it can be routed automatically to a user's desktop for viewing or editing. Or this can be a manual process, meaning we would have to access the server and retrieve the document. From the server, you can also send the scan to an email distribution list or a fax phone number. Or you can integrate it with a variety of popular document management and workflow applications sent to a network directory or filing location. The key thing is that you set the parameters of the template. It's a bit like setting up a speed dial on a fax. However, let's get back to the process. Once you've done all this, then let's press the Start button. What could be easier? So what are some of the business benefits of scan to file? First, key business documents are scanned and stored in an electronic file on the company's server. Documents like invoices are stored in an electronic file and are accessed by the customer for processing. And invoice processing times can be significantly reduced with corresponding impacts on cash flow.